वेलकम टू योर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 9.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कवर कर रहे हैं। द क्वेश्चन इज इन द फिगर 9.16 P is a point in the interior of a parallelogram ABCD. So this is the parallelogram given to us. So that first point, the area of APB, this triangle, plus area of PDC, this triangle, is equal to half of the area of the entire quadrilateral. And another one is the area of APD plus area of BPC is equal to the area of APB and PDC. राइट, ये दो हमें प्रूव करने हैं। तो उसके लिए हम सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो सॉल्यूशन वी आर स्टार्टिंग नाउ। अगर हमें ये प्रूव करना है तो जैसे हिंट दिया हुआ है कि थ्रो P dry line parallel to AB. So we have to pick the blue line. So dry line parallel to AB. So should have this line parallel to this, and another we are having a parallel line with AD also passes through B. Right, somewhat here. So this is parallel to this line. So we can make it dotted line so that you can understand this is for only to prove the side. That is a given one on these we draw. So the this point we are going to assume E, F, right, and this we are going to have G, right. So these are the points. Now we are starting with a solution that we draw the line because हमने line draw किया तो line की property हमें लिखनी होगी the E P F जो ये horizontal line है, this horizontal line parallel to AB और DC, दोनों एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हैं, and another vertical line that is GPH parallel to which line? AD or BC, right? So horizontal line is parallel to AB and DC, and vertical line, this slanted line, is parallel with AD and BC, right? Now we can state कि हमारे पास जो अब बिल्डअप हुई एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल AGHD, this one is a parallelogram, right? Why it is a parallelogram? Because we can say that GH is parallel to AD, GH, this slanted line, is parallel to AD, and this slide, this section is parallel to DH. This AG is parallel to, तो ये हो गया एक parallelogram. So similarly, we can have many parallelogram here. Similarly, we are having the parallelogram that is H, C, D, and G. H, C, and B, and G. Why it is so? Is a parallelogram. इसका भी अगर हम रीजन लिखें तो क्या लिखेंगे कि this GB is parallel to HC, right? And this line GH is parallel with BC, right? Another parallelogram, here we are having EF and CD, right? नीचे वाला जो है फिर उसके बाद ऊपर वाला पैरेललोग्राम लेंगे EF then CD is a parallelogram. तो इसका रीजन क्या होगा? This EF is parallel with DC and this DE is parallel with EF, right? The last parallelogram, that is ABFE, is a parallelogram. Reason ABFC. This one, तो इसमें AB पैरेलल रहेगा EF के एंड AE पैरेलल रहेगा BF के। आप रीजन दे भी सकते हो, अदरवाइज सिमिलरली करके यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट। तो हम यहाँ पर फर्स्ट पार्ट अब अटेम्प्ट करना शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग ऑल द पैरेललोग्राम हियर रेडी। नाउ द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज that the triangle, the green one, AP, will take the thinner line, APB. This green triangle and this upper yellow quadrilateral, we are going to prove the relation, right? Before that, what we are writing? We are writing here the triangle APB and the parallelogram, which one? The yellow one, ABFC. This is the parallelogram, are on the same base. You can write the base also AB, right? And lie between the same parallel line, right? तो अगर ऐसा है तो एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल APB, that is equal to the half of the area of quadrilateral, that is AB, ऐसे हम लिख सकते हैं, right? तो similarly we can have the same for the triangle, the red one, that is PDC, this one triangle, this triangle, and I should take a black one, the black quadrant. So these two are on the same base and on the between the same parallel line. So similarly, we can write the red triangle, or we can write the area of red triangle. The red triangle is PCD, that is equal to half of the area of EFCD, the black quadrilateral or the parallelogram. We can say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So from first and second, what we'll have? We'll have, or we can add both. We can have the addition, right? Addition of 1 and 2. So what we'll have? The area of triangle APB, right, plus area of triangle PCD, that is equal to the half of the area ABFC plus half of the area EFCD. ठीक है, इन दोनों का एरिया के हाफ के इक्वल होगा। अब अगर हम येलो क्वाड्रिलेटरल पैरेललोग्राम और ब्लैक पैरेललोग्राम को कंबाइन करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलने वाला है? we'll have the entire parallelogram ABCD. So we can write half, we can take common, right? और इसको अगर हम ऐड करेंगे तो we are having the area of ABCD. ठीक है, तो यही हमें प्रूव करना था। ट्रायंगल APB प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PC, ठीक, and that is hence proved. So this is the first part of the question. The another part of the question is this is the third one. So we can take our figure below, right? And we can do here. So this is the second part. And another question lie here, what we want to prove. So we can take this section also, right? So that we want to, right? So we can start from here. Now in this particular triangle, what we have, we are having, this is a line, this is a line which is parallel to the line. All things are same, and this is the dotted line, right? So again we should label it, and for labeling we are having E is this one, right, and F is this one, and this is G, and this is H, right? तो इस तरह से हम इसको कर लेंगे. So now we are focused on the triangle, which one? The APD, this triangle, the green one triangle. ये ट्राइंगल जो है इसका जो बेस है और जो हमारे पास दूसरी क्वाड्रिलेटरल है उसका जो बेस है वो सेम है. ये हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल लेके चल रहे हैं, इन दोनों का बेस सेम है. तो हम इसके बारे में क्या लिख सकते हैं? वी कैन राइट दैट द ट्राइंगल APD and the parallelogram AGHD, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल क्या है? आर ऑन द same base AD, and lie between same parallel line, that is AD parallel with GH. ठीक है, तो अगर ऐसा है तो एरिया ऑफ द ग्रीन ट्रायंगल APD, right, that is equal to half of the area of quadrilateral. Half of the area of what is the quadrilateral? AGHD, the yellow one. Okay. In the same, similarly, we can say in the same way. Similarly, we can write for PCB. We can write for PCB. Where is the PCB? The PCB is this one, the green one, the yellow one. So we are talking about this yellow triangle and also the corresponding green quadrilateral. So this इन दोनों में रिलेशंस हम लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज दोनों का सेम बेस है, दिस इज द बेस, और दोनों सेम पैरेलल लाइन के लिए हैं. So for that we can write for the area of the triangle PCB is equal to the half of the area of the quadrilateral, the green one quadrilateral, that is G B C H, right? तो ये हम लिख सकते हैं. We can write, this is fourth equation, this is fifth equation. So we can write adding fourth and fifth, because हमें प्रूव करना है वो एरिया ऑफ एपीडी करना है और एरिया ऑफ पीबीसी का रिलेशन प्रूव करना है. तो हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. सो द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल ए पी डी प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी सी बी is equal to the half of the area of A D H D plus half of the area of G B C H, राइट. तो हम ये यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, और अगर हम येलो जो हमारे पास पैरेललोग्राम है और जो ग्रीन पैरेललोग्राम है, इन दोनों के एरिया को ऐड करें तो हमें एंटायर क्वाड्रिलेटरल का, एंटायर पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया मिल जाएगा. तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं दैट इज इक्वल टू द हाफ ऑफ दिस. तो इसको हम हाफ को कॉमन ले लेते हैं और इन दोनों का एरिया क्या होगा? एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी डी, राइट. तो यहां पे हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं और पीछे जो हमने प्रूव किया था वो हम यहां पर लिख सकते हैं कि हाफ ऑफ दिस एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी डी इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. So we can write this will be the sixth number equation, right? So we can write from 6 and इसको हम 7 लिख सकते हैं. 6 and 7 we can write this area of triangle APD. We are just rewriting area of triangle PCB. ठीक है, is equal to this one, but this is equal to what? From 6 we can say this is equal to this one. So this will be area of triangle APB bracket close plus area of triangle PC. तो ये हमें प्रूव करना था, हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं नाउ हेंस प्रूव्ड, राइट. तो इस टाइप से हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe.